I'm trying doing a few at a time, so we just got done with this one. Okay, so I'm going to my fucking fidgets. And now I'm trying to do a few at a time. Next, I got my dimple. Okay, now I gotta get it to the outside again. This is like one of my favorite foods I got in Lubbock. Well, one of them. Barely tell me a trick about this. I don't want to say it because it might be a little inappropriate. But I got that. Next, hold on. I got my dimple fidget spinner. And I got all my little monkey noodles. It's like the so yeah. I got my puppet bracelet. Oh, I'll just do these still too real quick. So yeah. Yeah, I literally just woke up. So next we're gonna do this rainbow mermaid pop it. It's on the bad side, so let me get to the good side. So yeah. Next I have my rainbow pastel unicorn. Pop it. This is the quiet side. This is the good side. It looks so tinier than the last time I played with them. All of them do. We're gonna go see Cruella again today, so this time I might film in the movies. Ooh, I don't know, but yeah. And next I got my green dinosaur pop it. That was the good side. Next I have the butterfly pop it. It's on the quiet side. This one's kind of hard to pop because they all keep on coming back up from the pop. See what I mean? I don't know why. It's just hard to pop. So yeah. I have like a whole stack of fidgets up here. Let me show you. Yeah. I'm obsessed with fidgets. Next I got my DNA ball. And then I got my Neatos. So this is basically just a fidget collection. So yeah, and then I got these ones. Color changing one. Yeah. Okay. And next I got my snapper. I'm gonna try to get it out. Okay, next I got my rainbow cupcake poppet. Okay, let's do the good side. Okay, next, do this little snail. Do the good side now. Next, let's do the, next, let's do this little pink dolphin. Let's do the good side. Ooh. Now let's do my rainbow square. If y'all like my fidget videos, please give me 80 subscribers and a like on all my videos for fidgets. Next, let's do my little rainbow circle. Now let's do my rainbow tie-dye circle. This is the quiet side. It's good, isn't it? I got, these two are like the same and I got them from Target. So I actually recommend the Target poppets. They are good. Okay. Now these two I got a big 5 and let's do them. So yeah. Okay, next we are gonna do some of my other poppets like this one. I plan on getting more poppets, guys. I'm gonna have a whole collection of fidgets. I think I already do. I think I have more fidgets than Braylee, but she has like the classic ones like Infinity Cube, the regular Simple Dimple, the regular Dimple Digit. Here, let me get them all out and over here real quick so I can actually do it all. So let's do it. So I'm gonna do my little mini puzzle pieces. So I have a purple one. Purple one. Turquoise one. A green one. And a blue one. Next, I got my little mini t-shirt poppet keychain. I got this one for free because it was out of the packaging. So yeah. And next, I got the my first ever Pop It. I got this one. It still is one of my favorites. I just don't play with this one a lot. Let me get to the good side. This one makes a lot of noise, right, guys? I think that one is annoying. This is my red, wine, blue tie-dye one star. This one is also one of my really good favorites. And next, I got this red, black and red star. Cause my eyes itchy. Oh, that was a good pop. Yeah, the stars are the ones that are really hard to freaking pop. I have no idea why. Next, I have the diamond. Okay, did it all. Next, I have the rainbow. I get onto the good side. Okay, here's the good side. The rainbow pastel frappuccino. Hold on, let me get, I'm gonna try the other side and let me do this one real quick. Okay. Okay. Those are all my pop bits for my collection. Let's get on to some of my random fidgets. Okay, so the first one I got is this ice cream squishy. Next, I got this green narwhal squishy. Next, I got these other little squishies. I got this little mini strawberry one from iBloom, and then I got this little squishy keychain. Also this one. These are really good. They smell like just regular squishies, like foam. And then I got this ripoff of a Neato. I was like, this is not even a Neato, I think it's a mesh ball, but it color changes. So yeah. And then next I got this poop splat ball. One of my other favorites for, ooh, that's went. Yeah, y'all are on my fidget board, so I have my baby Yoda speaker holding y'all up. I have this little thing. I have this little fidget ball. I just like to fidget around with it. I highly don't recommend it because it falls apart. I got these little grape scented sand slime. One of my favorite slimes that I own. I have these slimes, Nickelodeon, blue Nickelodeon slimes, light blue. Then I got this clear one. I got this Sugar Rush Cloud Sand. The flavor's cotton candy. And next I have this big Orbeez ball. One of my other favorites. I got the classic Rubik's Cube. I still need to find an infinity cube, which nobody could find those here in Hobbs. And nobody could find them anywhere, like probably in the US, I don't know. Well, they're just hard to find. And I got my little finger puppet. I just like to feel around with his arms. It's squishy and everything. I got this Nemochi, and it's really stretchy. I got this classic little fidget yo-yo, and then I got these little strings looking thing. And I just like to tie it and flip it around. I do like that a lot. So yeah, and those are all my fidgets for my collection. I hope y'all liked the video. If it did, make sure to give me a like, a thumbs up. Wait, no. If it did, make sure to give me a fidgety thumbs up. Smash the neato red subscribe button, and see y'all in my next fidget video. Bye.